Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something revolutionary. Kling 3.0 is here, and it might be the most advanced AI video model we've seen so far. Is this the moment AI truly enters Hollywood-level filmmaking? Let's find out. Kling 3.0 is a next-generation AI video generation model designed to create highly realistic, cinematic-quality videos from simple text prompts. You describe a scene, and Kling 3.0 builds it with dynamic camera movement, detailed environments, realistic lighting, and natural character motion. We're not talking about stiff AI animations anymore. Kling 3.0 understands physics, depth, motion consistency, and emotional tone. That's a huge leap forward. So what's new in 3.0? First, improved motion realism. Characters move naturally. No more robotic walking or glitchy limbs. Second, cinematic camera control. You can describe camera angles like slow dolly in or aerial drone shot, and it actually understands that language. Third, longer, more stable video sequences. Earlier, AI models struggled with consistency. Kling 3.0 maintains scene coherence much better. This isn't just AI generating clips, it's AI understanding filmmaking. This changes the game for content creators. Indie filmmakers can prototype full scenes instantly. YouTubers can create cinematic intros without expensive gear. Brands can generate high-quality ads in hours instead of weeks. But let's be real. Disruption is coming. Roles in editing, VFX, and even acting could evolve dramatically. The industry will need to adapt fast. Here's the real question. Is Kling 3.0 a tool or a replacement? History shows us that technology doesn't eliminate creativity, it shifts it. Those who learn to use AI will have an enormous advantage. Those who ignore it might struggle. We're entering a new era of filmmaking, where imagination meets automation. Kling 3.0 isn't just an update. It's a signal that AI video is accelerating faster than we expected. Are you excited about this future, or concerned about where it leads? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI updates. Until next time, stay creative and stay ahead.